How to find Steam game files on Windows 11 and Windows 10. Here's where they're usually stored. Start by opening File Explorer on your Windows PC. And click This PC from the left sidebar. Next, open your main drive, which is typically the C drive. From there, open Program Files x86. Then find and open the Steam folder. Next, open Steam Apps, and then tap on Common. Inside the Common folder, you'll see all of your installed Steam games. Simply open the folder for the game you're looking for to access its installation files. If you installed Steam or your games on a different drive, the files won't be in this default location. Also, keep in mind that some games save files, screenshots, or configuration files in different locations, such as the Documents folder, the App Data folder, or the Saved Games folder instead of the main game directory. That's it! You now know how to quickly find your Steam game installation folder on Windows. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and check out more Windows and Steam tutorials.